can do business together.
Okay, we could bring three things, right? I mean, we are the world leader in engineering and R&D services, right? So from the engineering point of view, we bring the combination of shop floor knowledge. We have 15,000 engineers working in shop floor. So we must know something about that. With technology. Technology in itself is nothing. Shop floor knowledge in itself is nothing. Combining both together helps a lot. These guys, their vision and the communications and the automation, right? Second thing we bring to is footprint. Being the leader in the world in terms of revenue and number of engineers, we have the same footprint as our global customers, so we can support them anywhere in the world. And third, again being the leader in R&D, we bring the innovation side of it. I mean, this is innovation for our companies. It's not business as usual. Innovation has to be run in a different way.